Dmr C number 3, put your last name, your first name in the class period. We're working on elapsed time. I know that there are 60 minutes in every hour. I can use this knowledge to determine how many minutes passed between time frames. So for this problem, I'm going to approach it a little differently because I'm going from 4:20 to 5:35. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to figure out how many minutes to 5 o'clock. So if I'm at 20, I need to get here so I can count this way, or I could do what I did on previous. And if my first goal is to get it to 5 o'clock, I'm going to write 5 o'clock as 4 with 60 minutes. That's still 5 o'clock. And I'm going to subtract my 4 20 minutes. And there's 40 minutes to get to 5 o'clock. Okay? So I'm only halfway done because I also have to add the 35 minutes on past 5 o'clock. So I'm adding 35 minutes. And I think I'm going to get 75 minutes. Now that's not going to be the right answer because 75 minutes has 60 minutes in it. So I have to change that 75 minutes into 60 minutes plus the 15 minutes. Now I'm changing colors so that you can see where it came from. You see how I add them together and I get my 75 minutes back? Yes. So 75 minutes is an hour. It's 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I'm thinking that this is the answer, but I'm going to attempt to figure out a way to draw this. So if I start at 4 o'clock, change into a pen, there we go. If I start at 4:20, okay, I have to remember to go all the way around and end up at 5:15. Oh, 5:35. I was trying to figure out where I was wrong. So let me go to the 5:35, not 5:15. Okay, sorry. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to count my fives all the way around. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 75, 80, or I counted wrong. Sorry. It's an hour and 15 minutes. That's what I see there. That's one way to do it. The other way, if you don't want to count by fives, some students will recognize that if you start at 4:20, that's 1 whole hour. Okay, but my end time is at 5:35, so I need to add those 15 minutes. So that's how I can verify my answer. So the answer to that one is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Next, we are simplifying improper fractions, preferably using division. So 56 divided by 10, 56 goes on the top, or goes underneath, 10 goes on the outside, 10 does not go into 5, but 10 goes into 50 5 times. 5 times 10 is 50. What will I have left over? 6. So my remainder of 6. So that answer is 5 6/10. Is that the best answer? No. The best answer would be to simplify the 6/10 to 5 3/5. Let's check our answer. I think it's going to be 5.6 since this is tens here. Where's clear? 56 divided by 10 5.6. So the best answer is 5.6 or 5 space 3/5. I'm going to hit submit. View my score. Okay. Oh, Miss Beacon has to fix this one. The answer is 1 hour and 5 minutes. And that is correct. It doesn't show me any other answers, but okay. All right, there we go.